Hello, this video is about connecting your G Suite account. So first of all, you need to go to account section from the left sidebar and then click on add account where you get to choose email. And here we have the G Suite which already filled in SMTP and IMAP information. Once you're done with that, you need to go to security tab. So within your Google account settings, you can go to security. And here we have two-step verification that needs to be turned on. Let's click on that. Click on two-step verification. Put on your phone number here.